Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the ultimate Canadian breakfast. Yes, so I made this for my husband's birthday. Yeah, basically I spoiled him for the whole day, making breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Anyways, so this is the breakfast I made for him. So first, starting off with my bacon. I have my oven preheated to 350. And I'm using a parchment paper on a large sheet pan or whatever this is called, and just laying my bacon flat so that yeah, so the oven will cook the bacon for me instead of doing it on the stovetop. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I did a whole pack of bacon. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to making our waffles. So here I have 2 eggs. I'm going to be using 2 eggs. I'll have everything that I've made in the description box below. So basically I just separated the egg yolk from the whites because we're going to be using those whites to whip up. Okay, we're going to whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. So basically I just want to whip this up until it's at the stiff peak level. That's what I'm looking for, okay? Okay, and once I achieve that, I'll set that aside and I'll move on to the rest of my mixing my ingredients together. So there I have my egg yolks, I have some melted butter which is cooled, I have my milk, I have my vanilla extract. I'm whipping those together. Those are my liquids, so I'm whipping those together just to break up those egg yolks, okay? And for the dry ingredients, I'm sifting my flour. To that I add my sugar, my salt, and my baking powder. Alright, now I'm adding my wet ingredients bit by bit and I'll mix that together. You can use the hand mixer for this as well instead of doing it by hand, but you don't want to overbeat it, okay? So now that's done, I'm going to be adding some of that egg whites in there, and I'm going to be a little bit rough at this part, and then the next amount I put in there I'll be more gentle and fold it in, okay? I know it looks a little bit rough, but I had to fast forward this video because yeah, it would be a very long video. So, but when you add your second part, just be gentle while folding it in, okay? Alright, so now to make our waffles. So here I have my waffle maker, and I've been preheating it, and I just added some nonstick spray. And I'm just gonna wait for that light to turn green. That's when I know it's ready and hot, and it's time to put some batter in. So basically I'm using a half a cup per waffle. My first ones usually don't look that good or come out good or anything, so yeah, it's an ugly waffle. The first one was ugly, not gonna lie, but it was still edible. So what I'm looking for here is I'm waiting for this light to turn green. I've already set the gauge to the darkness I want, so I don't have to trouble that. But to know when it's done, I will wait for that light to turn green. Okay. If I'm not satisfied, I'll close it back and let it go for another minute or so. Yeah. See, I needed a little bit more time. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just going to put it on a plate and then do the rest the same. Okay, all right, and this was my last one. All right, so now that's done, let's move on to make in our pancakes. Yeah, so I'm adding my dry ingredients, I'm adding my wet ingredients together, my egg, my butter, my vanilla, my so I'm just going to whisk that a little bit and add it to my dry ingredients. And yeah, I'll leave my pancake recipe in the description box below, so please do check that out as well. By the way, if you are here for the first time, welcome to my channel. I'm Lala, and if you're visiting me again and again and again, I thank you so much for your continued support, and I hope you like my videos. Give me a thumbs up, please click that notification bell. Also, could you also leave me a comment on what you'd like to see me make next? That will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, and let's continue. Okay, so basically I just added into my pan some melted butter, and then I just added my waffles to that. Make sure your heat is not too high or else these will burn. Mine was a little bit too high at the beginning. They didn't burn that they can't be eaten, but they were a little bit darker than I was hoping for. But yeah, or maybe I was just comparing it to the box mix pancakes. Yeah, those, when I usually make the box mix pancakes, they usually come out way lighter, so maybe I was just comparing that. Maybe it's a little bit too brown, but yeah, it was really good actually. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy the box mix ever again, because this is so easy to just whip up, especially if you don't have it on hand. This is so easy to whip up. Yeah. Alright, so now that's done, I'm gonna do my eggs. So basically I just fast forward to the part where it's already in the pan. So this is just like 6 eggs together. So I whisked them together with my whisk, and I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and some cheddar cheese. You can mix the cheese as well, like cheddar mozzarella and all of that. So yeah, basically I'm making a pretty large omelet. Alright, now that's done, I just used the same pan. I'm going to add some oil to that, and we're going to be making some breakfast sausage. Yes, I'm telling y'all, I went straight out. Only thing that was missing from this was some ash browns, but I don't really like ash browns because I don't know, they soak oil up too much. I can't. I mean, if you're gonna make this and you like ash browns, then you could do your ash browns, but for me, no, it's a no-no. I'm not a fan. Sorry, it's always so greasy. Ugh, I hate it. Sorry. Anyways, yeah. So I just added a whole pack of breakfast sausage, and yeah, I'm just gonna fry them up until they have the color that I'm looking for. Okay. That were done, I just removed them and just continued frying the rest. These sausages, you guys, are super delicious. These were the Schneider's sausage. Yeah, I was really happy with them. Yeah, so now that's done, it's time to plate the food up. Alright, so I'm gonna do the waffles, and I'm basically just cutting them so it's not so big on the plate. And yeah, so I'm trying to make it look fancy for him. Okay, and then I add my pancakes, then I had a piece of the omelet, some bacon, and some sausage. Okay, and then I'm gonna use some maple syrup on top of that. Yes, you cannot have a Canadian breakfast without maple syrup. And there you go, look at that. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.